Hello student friends, we have last time discussed about the Maharashtra State Electric Distribution Company Limited and Maharashtra State Electric Transmission Company Limited. So as far as the study is concerned, home in which we have discussed the consumer portal, supplier portal, employee portal, then MSc DCL, MSc TCL, company profile, organization structure, which includes board of directors, board of members, senior management. Again, I told you to write about the functions of management system. Vision, mission, accounts, annual administration, achievement, CSR responsibilities. So these we have already studied. Now, as far as the technical things are concerned, this is common for MSc DCL as well as TCL. So, power planning. So, power planning is associated with generation, it is associated with transmission, it is associated with distribution. So, it is a combined business. There is a demand from distribution side, there is a availability of supply on generation side, and there is a requirement of transmitting power from generating station to load centers. So MSc TCL is also there. So availability of transmission line is also there. So power planning. So in this power planning, first point, that is about the power position report. So this is a power position report which is available on website of Maharashtra State Electric Distribution Company Limited. See, in power position as on, so we can see here in power position report, daily power position report. So a day before, today is the 16th, so we have power position report till 15th of June 2020. So first is back down report. So what is back down? Back down with the difference in committed power and the actual power supplied. So we have this report available. Let us see in brief. Back down report. So as I told you, back down report. So we have the generating stations. These are the generating stations, column number 2. Column number 1 serial number, number 2 generating stations. So different generating stations, cost of generation per unit, column number 3. Then here backing down from 2. Now this XX indicates they are not in schedule. So they don't declare any capacity and don't dispatch any capacity. So there is no any backing down quantum. And there are some reasons why they are not in this. So remark in the last column. Here we have some figures, serial number 17, 18 onwards. So for example, number 21, Khaparkheda, unit number 1 to 4, cost of generation 2 rupees 8.240 paise. Then here backing down from 2, it is mentioned. Then declared capacity 188 megawatt scheduled, in which dispatched 158 megawatt, and there is a 30 megawatt shortfall, that is back. Likewise, every company or generating station is having schedule and the actual capacity. So declared capacity and scheduled power, the difference in between, it is back down. So you have this back down report. Then another, we have zero schedule report. Zero schedule report, in which the capacity so units under zero schedule for the month of 2020 June, serial number, station, unit, megawatt capacities. So these are zero scheduled. Nasik, unit number 3, 210 megawatt, zero scheduled from 18th of February 2020. So these are Koradi, unit number 9, 660 megawatt from THU. So latest zero schedule, that is APML 1320 megawatt, unit number 432, zero schedule since 12 June 2020. And up to date, that is mentioned here, some having scheduled, that is say Mauda 1, unit number 185 megawatt, it is zero scheduled from 24 March to 13 June. But others are having other technical reasons, so they are not enough capable to come in service. So up to date, it is mentioned uncertain. Then another report as far as the daily power position is required to study. That is a daily system report. It is very important. See, daily system report. In daily system report, what we have to learn, see, the generation million units and number 2 exchanges. So generation means it is a generation of MSEDCL, Mahagenco, then power exchange from other states if you need. So let us see first A, MSPGCL, thermal hydro gas, total Maharashtra State Power Generation Corporation Limited, that is 99.198 million units daily, monthly you have here. B part is private players, independent power producers, IPP, so they are having the generations daily units, APML, JSW, other IPPs, independent power producers, WPCL generation. Third, thermal, National Thermal Power Plant Corporation, thermal power, hydro, thermal power plant, gas, AEML thermal. So C part. And in D part, state, that is thermal, hydro, gas, wind, solar, and total of state, million units in a day. Okay, then this column is about month. Then in addition to this, we are having the deficiency, so it is overcome by the power exchange in million units. So from Gujarat, from MP, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. So what we can if we have surplus power, we can give the supply to the other states. So we have tie lines. Then Mumbai, MSEDCL, Mumbai, bilateral. Then energy created, MSEDCL and Mumbai Discoms. So total of states by considering exchange and internal generation of state, that is 364 million units daily. Details of Maharashtra state peak demand, that is also very important. Morning peak, day peak, evening peak and night peak. So this what we have, state demand and Mumbai demand. State demand 16,593 for 11 hours, morning peak. Day peak 16,228. Evening peak it is 14,952 and night ABCD. So these are ABCD, A, B, C, D as per the. So in A we have this peak, B, C and D. And frequency of particulars, maximum frequency we have that we run, that is 15.17 at 7.02 hours. Then minimum 49.78. Keep in mind we are playing in between 49.5 to max 50.5. Average frequency 50.01. Frequency below this is a limit set. So below this 0% time in minutes. So this is what the power scenario, daily power scenario and monthly power scenario. This is report for 15 June 2020 Monday. So yesterday. Okay. So what is power exchange? Power exchange, that we can exchange power, we can take power from other states. We have state grid. Similarly, other states are having Gujarat state grid, Madhya Pradesh state grid, Chhattisgarh state grid, Maharashtra state grid. And at certain locations, for example, we have tie-up lines in between two state grids. So through these tie lines, we can exchange the power in between two states. So this is what the daily power scenario. It is available state load dispatch center. Now we have this data available from state load dispatch center, which is at Kalwa, Airoli, MSEDCL. Okay, this is statement number 1. So like this we have. Then daily progressive report and load shedding we will see in the next video.